In this video, we will review the basic elements of our custom audio system monitoring panels. Every new sound system should be commissioned and periodically tested using the system-specific monitoring and control software. The monitoring panels are designed to be easy to use for both operators and technicians. Since about 2011, Daktronics has been utilizing touchscreen computer systems along with networked amplifiers and signal processors in most custom audio installations. Critical health and performance information is gathered and organized into the monitor panel, which is used during commissioning, service calls, and often continually monitored during events by the operator. Any one of Daktronics' designed and built audio systems may be capable of networked monitoring and control, whether it be a football, baseball, or an indoor arena sound system. All custom system monitor panels are designed and operated similarly regardless of the venue or sport type. Depending on the complexity of the system, there may be many control parameters that are accessed using the software. It may be as simple as a preset recall for event type or full control of individual restrooms, concourse, or suite volume levels. If there is a computer built into the audio control rack, it is likely that the system is capable of real-time diagnostics monitoring and control. I'm going to assume for this video that the necessary software has already been installed and the monitor panel is running on the audio system computer. We will demonstrate operation of our custom audio monitor panels using Audio Architect software on a custom football sound system. The fundamentals of operation apply to most software platforms and system types. For detailed information on operation and connection of the specific software, please consult appropriate training videos available on YouTube. Search for the playlist Online Operate in HiQNet Audio Architect. Daktronics has also put together basic online operate procedures which are available in the testing instructions DD 303-4889. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Open up the monitoring and control software for your system. This may be System Architect, London Architect, or Audio Architect. Note that each custom system will differ slightly. However, basic layout and operation of the monitor panels is generally similar. With the system powered on and connected, let's crank up some tunes and get to work. Since we want to actively monitor the sound system, we will need to play some program material. This can be any source, such as a CD player, iPod, or the FM radio. We don't need to recreate the game day experience, just enough level to get accurate readings. Typically about half game day volume is sufficient. We will work our way from left to right. First, let's get familiar with the dashboard. The dashboard contains the school or facility's logo at the top left corner, and below that are warning lights that give clues to any problems during system operation. Red indicators are alerts to potential issues. See corresponding tab to track down the specific issue. Right-click on the indicator for more details. During normal system operation, we should not see any red status indicators. Some audio systems receive a signal from the building fire alarm. This connection may mute or otherwise take control of the audio system. An alert may pop up on the monitor panel, however, no action is required of the operator. When observing monitor panel tabs, keep in mind that similar components within the system should respond fairly consistently. Any values that appear to be outliers should be watched closely. Beginning with the Amplifier Input Signal tab, ensure that all amplifiers are online and receiving an input signal. Please note that due to differences in systems, some may include digital and analog input meters, and some systems may include multiple inputs per amplifier. Most monitor panels contain information specific to that tab to help evaluate readings. If you're testing an audio system that includes an analog backup, test the backup by flipping the analog backup switch on. You should see the analog signal present on the monitor panel. The signal should display at relatively the same level as the digital signal. Flip the analog backup switch off for normal operation. Page through the amplifier temp and amplifier voltage tabs looking for errors and outlier values. Amplifier input voltage values should be dynamic and fluctuate slightly while the system is operating. Voltage values are direct readings from the main power circuit powering the amplifiers. Next, go to the Speaker Output Monitoring tab. This tab should be monitored periodically throughout events to ensure that the system is not being overdriven or played at higher levels than intended. On most monitor panels, each amplifier channel is labeled corresponding to the speaker that is connected. You will notice that when extreme audio peak levels are reached, there is an active gain reduction displayed by the red meter. Excessive gain reduction does not sound good. System limiting occurs when peaks are halted at a predetermined maximum threshold. Excessive limiting and clipping may lead to premature equipment fatigue and failure. And most importantly for system checks and service, analyze the Speaker Impedance tab. This tab displays the speaker impedance as calculated by the individual amplifier channel. The system must be playing music or program material at a sufficient sustained level to give accurate readings. Once again, be on the lookout for values that are outliers, as they may indicate driver failure or connection issues. We will pause for a second. Can you spot any errors? Typically, a reading of double that of a similar component may indicate a blown driver in that speaker. A main speaker value reading of greater than 15 may point towards a disconnected speaker or bad amplifier channel. Reference the system's schematic or flow diagram to help troubleshoot. Note that your system is custom and may contain additional control pages or buttons. This is normal. However, any functions outside of this general overview should be reviewed at the time of customer training. Additional functions and features should be discussed with the system's app engineer or trainer. That covers the general overview of custom audio system monitor and control panels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have further questions about our products, please contact a Daktronics audio representative. Feel free to view our other training videos available at www.daktronics.com/support. Keyword: Sport Sound.